Welcome to Lab Discovery. In today's video, we'll explore a top 13 of fascinating creatures that seem to come from another world. From the depths of the ocean to the most remote jungles, get ready to meet the strangest and most terrifying animals that inhabit our planet. Let's get started. Number 1. Naked mole rat. Look at those teeth. Terrifying. Naked mole rats seem like they come from another world. Although they are vegetarians, their appearance is enough to send chills down your spine. Their enormous incisors never stop growing, tearing through the earth as they mercilessly dig. Their almost completely hairless skin, with only a few scattered hairs, gives them a ghostly air, as if they come from the darkest depths of the earth. But those few hairs aren't just for decoration. They're a sixth sense, sensing every shadow and vibration as they move through the claustrophobic tunnels they call home. Most of us would rather not encounter one of these creatures in the dark. Number 2. Ghurial. It looks like a crocodile. And with good reason, as it actually belongs to the family of these predators. However, what stands out the most is its mouth. So prominent, so full of sharp teeth that it makes anyone shudder. Each of those teeth seems ready to tear apart anything in its path, reinforcing its image of terror. They are found in the most remote rivers and swamps, lurking in the shadows where the water is dark and dense. No matter how far away you are, just the sight of that jaw can send shivers down your spine. It's a creature that seems to come straight out of our nightmares. Number 3. Tube-nosed bat. At first glance, it looks like an ordinary bat. But what sets it apart is its strange tube-shaped nose, an adaptation that gives it an even more unsettling appearance. This nose isn't just a visual oddity, it's its secret weapon for locating the fruit it feeds on in the dark. These bats hide in the darkest corners of the tropical jungles, flying silently as they use that tubular nose to track their prey. Their presence is silent, but just seeing them up close can give you the uncomfortable feeling of something that doesn't seem to belong to this world. Number 4. Eye. In the shadows of Madagascar, something seems to be lurking. The eye, with its eerie appearance, always seems to be waiting, as if it could leap out at any moment. In the darkness of the night, it uses its long, thin middle finger to cling to trees and hunt insects, a unique ability that allows it to survive in its environment. For the people of Madagascar, this animal is a bad omen. Its mere appearance generates fear, and often, if they see it, they kill it, believing it brings bad luck. Its piercing gaze and nocturnal behavior fuel those legends, making it a creature feared both for its appearance and for what it represents. Number 5. Lamprey. Look at those teeth. The lamprey, an ancient creature that seems straight out of a nightmare. Some species are true parasites, attaching to fish to suck their blood. With its suction cup-shaped mouth, filled with rows of sharp teeth, it latches onto its prey and doesn't let go. Now, imagine encountering one in the depths of a river. Although they rarely attack humans, just seeing one of these marine monsters approaching could freeze your blood. A bite from a lamprey would feel like hundreds of needles piercing your skin. Fortunately, encounters are rare, but one look at those teeth is enough to make you grateful for that. Number 6. Barrel-eye fish. Can you believe what you're seeing? The barrel-eye fish, a creature so strange it seems straight out of an impossible dream. The most striking thing about this fish is its completely transparent head. Through it, you can see its veins, its brain, and other organs, as if it were a window into its own body. This deep-sea dweller lives so far down in the ocean that humans almost never have the chance to observe it. In those dark waters, where few dare to venture, the barrel-eye fish silently glides, its mysterious head glowing faintly, like a ghost from the depths. If you were ever to come face to face with it, seeing its transparent skull would be like looking into the soul of a creature from another world. Number 7. Goblin shark. This shark looks like it's from a nightmare of another world. Its slender, muscular body glides stealthily through the depths of the ocean, but it's its jaw that truly defies what we know. Capable of shooting forward like a spring, this deadly trap unfolds in an instant, with sharp, blade-like teeth designed to rip through flesh in seconds. Its head, broad and flat, is like a living detector, picking up even the slightest electric impulses from its hidden prey. And just when you think you've seen it all, that jaw bursts out of its mouth as if it were a separate creature, moving with a speed that doesn't seem of this planet. Encountering a predator so perfectly adapted to the underwater environment makes you feel like you're looking at an alien life form, designed to hunt with terrifying precision. A shark that seems to defy the laws of nature and imagination. Number 8. Panda ant. Despite its name suggesting something cute, the cow killer is quite the opposite. This insect, with its body covered in a dense coat of bright orange fur, has an appearance as striking as it is unsettling. At first glance, it looks like an ant, but it's actually a wasp. Its size and vibrant color make it stand out in any environment, like a natural warning of danger. The most impressive thing is its sting, said to cause pain so extreme it justifies its fearsome nickname. This creature not only defies expectations with its name but also its physical appearance, making it a truly terrifying wonder of nature. Number 9, Purple Frog. This time, the name doesn't deceive. The purple frog is as strange as it sounds, with its deep purple skin making it look like a creature from another world. This small amphibian inhabits the lands of India and Madagascar, where it moves stealthily among the dry leaves on the forest floor. With its rounded body and small, flattened head, it has an appearance that defies what we usually think of frogs. Its slick and shiny skin allows it to move with agility in its environment, but it's that dark purple color that truly grabs attention, as if it emerged from the depths of the earth. While its size may seem harmless, its rarity and behavior make it an animal that stands out in any ecosystem. It's a creature that looks like it stepped out of a fantasy tale, but it's very real and just as strange as it is fascinating. Number 10, Mantis Shrimp. This is one of the fastest animals in the world. With an appearance that resembles a praying mantis, but much more impressive, the mantis shrimp is a creature as colorful as it is deadly. Its vibrant hues of green, blue, and red seem almost unreal, like they were designed by an ocean artist. But don't be fooled by its beauty, this animal is incredibly aggressive and prefers to live alone. There are around 400 species of mantis shrimp, and they all share an astonishing ability. Their strike is so fast that it can break the shell of its prey in the blink of an eye. Their fists move at speeds of up to 50 miles per hour, 80 kilometers per hour, generating heat and light in the water with each punch. It's so fast that it seems to defy the laws of physics. This small predator is a true marvel of the animal kingdom, not only for its dazzling colors but for its ability to strike with the force of a miniature hammer. An ocean dweller as fascinating as it is terrifying. Number 11, Venezuelan Poodle Moth. What really inspires fear in this insect is the mystery surrounding it. This strange creature was discovered in Venezuela as recently as 2009, and even now, it remains an enigma to scientists. Its appearance is as baffling as its origins. Nobody knows exactly how it lives, what it eats, or what its true role in the ecosystem is. It's as if this insect emerged from the shadows, invisible to the human eye for centuries. This recent discovery has left researchers with more questions than answers. Its discovery has shaken the world of entomology, as despite so many scientific advances, there are still creatures that remain anonymous, hidden in the most remote corners of the planet. An insect we know almost nothing about, but which already causes amazement and a certain unease for all that's yet to be uncovered. Number 12, Red-lipped Batfish. Imagine being in the depths of the ocean. And suddenly, you see something moving toward you. The red-lipped batfish, with its strange body and crimson lips that look painted, is one of the most bizarre creatures of the underwater world. But what's truly surprising is how it moves. Instead of swimming like other fish, it uses its fins as if they were legs, clumsily walking along the ocean floor, almost as if it's about to jump toward us. With its rough skin and strange way of moving, it seems more like an inhabitant of another planet than a creature from our world. It's a predator, but one that moves in such a unique way that it leaves you perplexed. This fish is not only a visual oddity but a reminder of how little we know about the ocean's depths. Number 13, Wolffish. In the dark depths of the ocean, the wolffish lurks. Imagine being in the dark depths of the ocean, surrounded by shadows and mysteries. Suddenly, you come face to face with the wolffish. This imposing predator, with its formidable size and sharp teeth, is a terrifying sight. Its powerful jaws, capable of hunting much larger prey, slowly open, revealing its lethal potential. As you get closer, you feel the pressure of the water and the cold darkness surrounding it. Its thick skin glows dimly in the gloom, while its keen sense of smell guides it, searching for any movement around it. Despite its ferocity, this giant remains an enigma, a true mystery that awaits in the depths of the ocean, capturing the imagination of those brave enough to explore. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the top 13 animals that seem straight out of another world. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends. We'd love to hear your opinion. Which of these animals do you find the most terrifying, beautiful,